Finally, a collection of some very dull rocks. Rocks. This is a rock tumbler from Harbor Freight. And this is a bowl with holes in it and chicken wire taped to the top. Oh yes, it sounds very spicy in there. Very spicy in there. These are the lid components I am removing. Yes, we are going to open up this container and find some beautifully polished rocks that have been going through for about 4 weeks. The other container has one that's on the 3rd stage. We'll see that next week. Oh, this is the wrong one.
Okay, so this is not the final batch.
The wrong one! Oh, we'll just set that aside for now. Oh, what is all of this? What is this? It's some lubrication.
Lubrication.
From the tumbler. Squeeze all the air out of that thing. Rinse her off. And, oh, my favorite part. It looks like 2 containers of fully polished rocks, but in fact one of them still has another week. See, look at that. It's pretty dull. This one needs to go for another week, so we put it in stage 4. Stage 4. Spilled a little bit, but that's okay.
Buddy. Be happy. Oh! Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, make sure you don't do that. I really should be wearing gloves, but my hands are cold. Let me just empty these pretty polished rocks out so I can fill this container with some new rocks to tumbly bumbly. And adding my grit, weighing it out to make sure my container is not on the fat side. Let's get ready to tumble. They are ready to tumble. Tumbly bumbly. These are completely dry. They look wet, but they're completely dry and shiny and smooth. Man, these rocks came out really nice. Beautiful. Beautiful.